SU-27 Flanker frontline fighter aircraft, Russia. SU-27, codenamed by NATO as Flanker, the SU-27 is a twin-engine, highly maneuverable fighter aircraft that provides air superiority. It was designed by Sukhoi Design Bureau and manufactured by Irkut. The export version of the aircraft is known as the SU-27 SK. The aircraft is equipped to operate autonomously in combat over hostile territory, an escort of deep penetration strike aircraft, and in the suppression of enemy airfields. The aircraft provides general air defense in cooperation with ground-based and airborne control stations. The SU-30M Flanker, SU-33, and SU-35 are all advanced versions of the SU-27 fighter aircraft. The Su-27 entered production in 1982 and is in service with Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Indonesia, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam, and is built under license in China as the F-11. A variant, the Su-30MK, was sold to India with licensed local production. A total of 50 aircraft were ordered from Irkut, and the first entered service with the Indian Air Force in September 2002. The last was delivered in December 2004. The first of up to 140 aircraft indigenously built by Hindustan Aeronautics-led HAL was delivered in November 2004. China ordered 76 two-seat Su-30MKK and 24 Su-30MK2 naval fighters. Deliveries were completed in August 2004. Indonesia ordered 2 Su-27 SK and 2 Su-30MK aircraft, which were delivered in September 2003. In May 2006, the Su-27 was selected by the Mexican Navy. 10 aircraft are required, 8 single-seat and 2 Su-27 UB two-seat trainers. In August 2007, Indonesia ordered a further 3 Su-27 SKM and 3 Su-30MK2 aircraft. The Su-27 SESM, an improved version of the Su-27, provided a significant upgrade for the Russian Air Force. It is equipped with an improved fuselage for extra weapons payload and 001 radar and a glass cockpit with 3-color multifunction displays and improved avionics. The first Su-27 SESM was delivered in December 2003. The Su-27 is a highly integrated twin-fin aircraft. The airframe is constructed of titanium and high-strength aluminum alloys. The engine nacelles are fitted with trouser fairings to provide a continuous streamlined profile between the nacelles and the tail beams. The fins and horizontal tail consoles are attached to tail beams. The central beam section between the engine nacelles consists of the equipment compartment, fuel tank, and brake parachute container. The fuselage head comprises a semi-monocoque construction and includes the cockpit, radar compartments, and the avionics bay. The aircraft is equipped with a 30mm GISH 301 gun with 150 rounds of ammunition and a range of missiles, rockets, and bombs mounted externally on 10 hardpoints. The aircraft's infrared search and track system, laser rangefinder, radar, and helmet-mounted target designator provide detection, tracking, and attack capability. The range of air-to-air missiles carried by the Su-27 aircraft includes R-27R1, NATO designation AA-10 Alamo-A, an all-aspect medium-range missile with semi-active radar homing, and R-27T1, AA-10B Alamo-B, with infrared homing in a range from 500 meters to 60 kilometers, and R-73E, AA-11 Archer, all-aspect close combat air-to-air missile with infrared homing in a range from 300 meters to 20 kilometers. Ordnance for air-to-ground missions includes 100 kilograms, 250 kilograms, and 500 kilograms freefall and retarded aerial bombs, 500 kilograms incendiary devices, 25 kilograms and 500 kilograms RBK cluster bombs, and C-8, C-13, and C-25 unguided aerial missiles. The SU-27 is equipped with a new electronic countermeasures suite for individual aircraft and mutual and group protection in the forward and rear hemispheres. The countermeasures system includes a pilot illumination radar warning receiver, chaff and infrared decoy dispensers, and an active multi-mode jammer in the wingtip pods. The SU-27 is equipped with a Phasotron and 001 Shuck coherent pulse Doppler radar with track-while scan and look-down/shoot-down capability. The range of the radar against 3 square meters targets is more than 100 kilometers in the forward hemisphere and 40 kilometers in the rear hemisphere. The radar has the capacity to search, detect, and track up to 10 targets with automatic threat assessment and prioritization. The aircraft had an OEPS-27 electro-optic system, which includes an infrared search and track (IRST) sensor collimated with a laser rangefinder. The range of the electro-optical system is 4,100 kilometers, depending on the aspect angle presented by the target. The radio communication suite provides voice and data, VHF/UHF radio communications between aircraft and ground control stations within sight range, voice radio communication with ground control stations and between aircraft up to a range of 1,500 kilometers, an encrypted data link for combat information exchange between aircraft, and command guidance from ground control stations using automatic interception mode. The Su-27 is equipped with an electro-optical fire control system supplied by the Urals Optical and Mechanical Plant, (IOM-3), and a Geophysica FLIR forward-looking infrared pod. Russian electronic systems provider Leninets supplies the radar systems and SNERDY electronic countermeasures suite. The Su-27SK is powered by 2 AL-31F turbofan engines designed by the Lyulka Engine Design Bureau, NPO Saturn. Each engine has 2 air intakes, a primary wedge intake and a louvered auxiliary air intake. The twin-shaft turbofan engine has after-turbine flow mixing, a common afterburner, an all-mode variable area jet exhaust nozzle, an independent start, and a main electronic control, and a reserve hydromechanical engine mode control system. The high-temperature sections of the engines are made of titanium alloy. SU-27 is fitted with AL-41F1 engines being developed by NPO Saturn, took its first flight in March 2004. The uprated engine provides a thrust of 145 kN, 33,000 pounds.